Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the file too large issue or problem in a CapCut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, there are several options how you can approach this. So option number one, changing the video project's resolution. So what you want to do is click into export once you are ready with your editing and go through that exporting setup here guys. So what you want to do is simply click into that drop down menu next to resolution, and for example if your video features 4K or 2K resolution, you may simply change to one of these lower resolutions like 1080p, 720 or 480. Option number two, changing the output file format. Now if for example the output file format on default is set to MOV or MOV, simply click into that arrow down icon and select MP4 because MP4 tends to compress files more than MOV. Option number three, change the FPS rate. For example guys, higher FPS rates or frame per second rates tend to have also or come up with higher or larger file sizes, so you may consider changing to 30 FPS for example. That's totally up to you. And option number four would be, let me just click into cancel here, would be to clear the cache of CapCut as an application. To do that, click into menu in the top left corner, navigate to settings, and here guys you will see the cache size, so you may simply clear it by clicking into this trash icon. However guys, you can do this from a project, so you will need to return to the home page of your CapCut video editor and simply clear the cache or set an auto deletion of the cache, for example every 30 days. And option number five, the last one guys, is what you may simply do is increase the size limit for the CapCut application on your device. It is set to 500 MB in my case here, as you can see, but you may go with 1 GB or even no limit, and that way allow, for example, CapCut to save files on your device in the output file format or output file folder here, for instance, without any maximum size limit, for example, for the entire folder. So that's it guys, that's how you do it. Don't forget to click into save. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.